Hello, and welcome to the HBM Test and Measurement FAQ video series. I'm Krista Tweed, an Applications Engineer with HBM, and in this video I'm going to provide an overview of the Push Notifications feature in Perception. One of the newer features in Perception's Macro Manager is the ability to create a push notification. That is, a user can configure Perception to notify them when something of interest happens. The user decides the conditions that result in the push notification being sent. The event of interest can be a wide variety of things. You can have Perception notify you when a trigger occurs. For each triggered sweep that is recorded, you can do math on the data to check for overloads, check that a value is within a specific range, check timing conditions, or compare a result to a known value. If the results are not what you expect, you can have Perception notify you via a push notification. As an example, I'm going to walk through creating a push notification that is sent each time the system detects a trigger. We will use Perception's Recording Automated Processing feature to do this. To open the dialog, go to the Automation menu and select Automated Recording Processing. Enable automation by selecting the checkbox in the lower left-hand corner of the dialog. In the interval selection area, select Triggered Segments and While Recording. This means the automation happens each time a trigger is received, while the recording is in process. From the action list, select Run an Action. Click Add to add the action to the list. Select Notifications, Send Push Notification from the drop-down list. Now I need to configure the push notification. Click the Configure button. If this is a new notification or I do not know the push ID number, click Manage Online to connect to the HBM push site. Enter your email address. If you are a returning user, select Token Request, and the site will email you a login code. Copy and paste the code from the email into the website. Once I enter the site, I see all of the push IDs I created previously. I copy the push ID I named Trigger Now and return to Perception. I paste the push ID into the Configure dialog. Perception automatically pulls the title and email from the online site. I can enter a subject line, color, and text for the notification. In this example, you see I enter text that notes that the HBM DAC system received a trigger and it should be evaluated. Click Close to close the Recording Automated Processing dialog. Now I am ready to run an acquisition. I have my system configured for multiple sweeps acquisition. When I start the recording, Perception monitors for a trigger. I see live data in the right half of the display. Once a trigger is received, the saved data appears in the left half of the display, and the system waits for the next trigger. As soon as the trigger was received, a push notification was sent. I can see that push notification in one of two ways. First, by monitoring the HBM's push website and watching for notifications. Second, I can also download HBM's push app on my phone and receive notifications through the app. In summary, the push notifications feature allows a user to be notified when something of interest happens in Perception. The notification text can include specific information about the event, such as the overload value and the time at which it occurred. Thanks for watching. If you have questions on Perception or any other HBM product, please feel free to contact technical support via phone, email, or the HBM website.